Okay, here's the cordwood we built last year. See, Julie did some stained glass on the windows. The window actually cracked all the way up through here, so she fixed it with some stained glass work. Here's the other side. Nice big window. And there's the front with the door. There's our doorbell. Here's the back side. Not to fall in the snow. A bubble we put in there, you'll see better on the inside. And then this repurposed siding out of the old slab wood from the mill. This is we put an outlet inside. So outside we put this little box here you can hook an electric cord up in, slide it in there, then close it back up. You want to run a drop cord to it so it's out of the weather. Let's go inside. Start over here at the door. There's where we put our little aspen branches up there. Something different to look at. And there's the door. There's the peephole. Couldn't ask for a better peephole. This little side window. There's a better view of a aspen branch, as you can see the peak in the back. Aspen leaves. You can see the sun coming through all the bottles. There's our repurposed old rake coat hanger. And we put some of these sticks in here for put a curtain rod across there. On this one we used old horseshoes. So we have a little bit of furniture in here. Chairs. Nice little ledge bench across the front of the window. There's the plexiglass. Kind of got creative putting different sticks and logs in the wall. And down here is more repurposed slab from the mill we use for inside here. And then there's that little outlet from the outside, so we have power in here. And window, another big log that we found up here on the ranch. And there's the bubble. It's pretty neat. Stick your head in there and take a peek around. There you have it.